understand that. I mean, like, that is an initiative to get jobs. Because I would rather clean than to go and papa a boy, say, papa a boy, 1 man to be one trip. Into Mr. Mahama, the thinking Mr. Mahama and his cabinet could have just said, say, okay, graduate for, Yabema Mako Prapra Agbubulushi every Friday, last Friday of the month. Now, yeah, the more to pay Rosso. Now, Gani Sikano, Yamu be aye day Eddie. Economy na 2016 a year papano. Cause I no moka. Economy na a year correct. Yeah, my boy see 100. You couldn't get this from Mahama. No. You couldn't get this from Mahama. You see the sad thing? Who call no hono? Or so would degree no crown and quasi a degree. Now or do kojina juma mua untumi nye juma. Tano kind. That's what Mr. Mahama said. And the video is there. The way na throw a video evidence. If our university keep churning out graduates who don't have the experience to work, how can we employ them? That is what he said. Na obiaba wo graduate ya wo hwe manim gina we na no pakwasia uyu hwinim akwa life meboa o sorry anope akwa we foolish boy akwa keka wenim kama you hwinim because I no be town akwa fa box iron e de bidi agum o ba beto atade cause I no be town adentia ekufo ado ama NABCO ni bi ye eno for 6 years we tua woka na 5 months pa ho kiraba na mo ntwentwen so manu amosimeto etise mobu afu president bi didi u degree na o bre yanse unya no didi na temu ama wadwuma wa ma $1 wa ma 1 cent po 1 peso po 1 farm I say we a graduate intiji we nedi na president fofraba at the institution bi by your friend nation builders called NABCO say o ma 700 Ghana a month 7 million a month. Utifie 1 million po na wunya utifie 50 Ghana po okosre ansa na wadidi na aban bi aba no ka kire we say wa fa sa aka we e bo ho ka NABCO for nko no we were getting over 70 million Ghana cedis every month 70 million cedis every month 7 billion every month 7 billion every month. NABCO for ungrateful youths, no 7 billion is what Akufo-Addo has been paying for 5 consecutive years, uninterrupted. 5 consecutive years uninterrupted. Akufo-Addo did that. How can you like? How do you even compare such a record to a record that has actually transformed the lives of people? Why do you people do this to ourselves? Like, why do we always like to do this to Ghanaians? Obi baye or say obesi free SHS dying, and as obesi SHS obesi school dying 200, and on a World Bank and the Bank of Ghana 18 more apps say let's build this. Now on no the flagship program. Ghana for on where the flagship program no one day when to me envy all kwa ofra benuemu no na emu 4 there say be wouldn't come sim now den collect nemu a eyeye emu 4 and you finished and until yam nwa and the jay abandoned project and the jay project u project is unkomya po ni ona collect nemu de asua de Ugu blocks ndi gugu wa was yo yesi dan na we bi kura wa asase na kura asat now as I'm speaking to you some of sa 200 day school blocks na was use no asase kura so musi wo so kura no omo enya up till now up till na me no ka say wo come record no mu there are some of the lands they said they were going to get omo enya they were not able to get it and then na me no ka say school dying now, muye de day and the Akufo-Addo a project, uncompleted project, you know. The Amokas will be seen crown, some of that. Now you see, and it is all because we Ghanaians we refuse to learn. It's because we Ghanaians we refuse to learn. Because Anka Ghana ni ready, and Anka all kind Anka what ya se kakra. Anka Abe said ebi o na Mr. Mahama. Sabi a dino crown enya Bank of Ghana for nkwan. More cancer Bank of Ghana na hin na mercy. Go and look. Government of Ghana project, no government of Ghana GOG no. Munko bisa say ahe eno mutumi siye. And now me no can say me see e-blocks now Mahama Kasi Usino. Some of the assassin crowd wa scan ye dio into assassin ye nya. Ye this cano assassin so ye nya. Na say nipa we ya be jina wa ba be catch na say or no ye better chin obi a enye ni project and so ba we 30. Ah. Serious oh. Serious pa. Wo, it's your project. Shyness ne feria anywhere ni munti. Me say ne 200 day school now, Mr. Mahama Kasu Sino. I'm telling you guys this now. Obia or say or no what any alternative fact than what I'm saying. Let that person put it here. Obia or say the mimi can I dare that person say offer all the list of the 200 schools, baby, I will enter right now. Now, Mr. Me releasing what the government has right now. Me releasing the handing over notes. Me releasing the handing over note of Nana Jeno Poko Ajimai to Matthew Poko Prempe. Me found to me page no be who I will say what different alternative. No, bring that your alternative. Stupid idiots. Ghanaians are cheap into a young crass from Quasiampaphobia. Now, Oma Baby Jinaho, no more Detroit Rega for. You now, Podamphobia, and Yansen, ye three more money, a or nowhere to the catch in the cars was a baby, young Parky can and a Kumra. Now, we had Jimmy Franka, you take free life over cool. Yeah, you go, Sika, you go to Sika. Yeah, now buying back, come and the casse. I told you, and Trama to you, Tino. Sabi, more to money now, no Sabi, may time 1 month electricity bill. When you be the Ghana ni Bonia for Ghana for Bonia for when you be in Kruma time till now. You're president Bakuma Nankase or the what to what a bill half po a child. No, there was none. Now for the first time in the history of Ghana. Ubia beto to Niama ye menu to a Tumiama Winsio about Kania, a bibusumin sia. Be the war, yes, stand my binum. Now, what was say, a buying a shemao. A buying a shemao because all the brother could just to my talk until a buying a shemao. Mammy, a baby, I see a John Grano will have been a wako. Mammy, a baby, I see Ghana. A John so crown, no one ya brother, been out the Akona, the Abbey said to no now. Mumubi do Kumugi digidi, Eddie Abedina, social media for you. We a disgrace to mothers. Those mothers are more sad than we a disgrace. Shegan on Maya Sabi, where Jaya crowd with the banches our elbow. Now a come way to me Bagana Mamo, a Jodifua Namuko Panso, Muko Ei, Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso near Hodio, Namako Fabrodia, Namodia Bagana Beton, and then the Brodia Buama and Crophobia, the would Fiat and Tontino, who would have free say, a baby now by Chenya Masuye, Amawa Great Kamani Muso, which Jinet Jum, no Diamond Penny at him. Who sees one of mammy and son, or mammy and son as no be a papa, will be a swam of bra because your Cayenne went into a went to me for Bianco school for the first time about Bonia Utegana or bid the back echo school. Sikana Utiamana or bid the cotton dime or do East Legon or bid the mamma, my bid the mamma apprentice. Yes, here they show mammy and sana. Omo papa dane sawiam na enkola ni be didio omo be so eda wo ba so no obabi etine baby etunu kunu fo say yes ade we ma na mai hayen na oye ma osi wunya ahwe yet the education any on went me afa wan kasa wo ba wa wo no wakoda ho ma be ma ne wada wo no went me afa ba akokura nwie school